Okay, in this video we will talk about the second malfunction that is possible after overgees or overspeed, is the hung store. Contrary to the fuse, there is no indication that you will have a hung store unless you have tried to release it. And the way the system works is that it will detect a hung store only when you have no more bomb of a class on board in the system. That means that when you pickle, even if the bomb does not release because it's hung, the bomb will decrease the SMS will decrease the number of bombs on board, and at the end it will compare the number of bombs that are actually under the wings against this number, and if there is a discrepancy, then it will display hung store with the hung station. So as long as you have bombs of the same type as the hung one, it will not be displayed. It will be displayed only at the end. For instance, here for the demonstration, I have 3 bombs station 4 that are hung and cannot be released. So I will try to release the 2 first one in pair. So that means the normally 1 bomb on station 4 and 1 bomb on station 6. Let's see what happens. Right, only 1 bomb has been released, but the total number of bombs remaining in the system is 10. 2 have been dropped. I have no indication of hung store anywhere. That's because it will be displayed only when the SMS weapon type counter will reach 0 and will compare with the actual number of bombs on board. So let's now release the 10 remaining, or actually 10 remaining. Well, we believe we have 10. Let's say we'll release 12 anyway. It doesn't matter. Okay, 3 bombs are hung, and now that the system has reached 0 here, it has detected hung store. And on the inventory you can see hung store station 4. All the numbers are at 0, which is normal because the system has decreased the number, and it's by comparison between this number and the actual bomb signals that it can detect the hang store. So what can you do from there? Of course you can try to jettison your hung store, but by definition they are hung. So I press here, they will not release. You can of course jettison them by jettisoning the rack, but you can have another attempt. Another attempt is trying to reboot the SMS here. What it does, it will flick back all the counters of the tear to the value 3, which means that it will erase the hung store. It will fill back some bombs in the system, but that does not mean that they are not hung anymore. What I've done here is that when you reset your SMS, you have a slight chance to unstuck some bombs, and you can do it only once. So even if the hang indication disappear and you have your bombs back in the system, Some of them can still be stuck, some others can have been unstuck. I don't know here, I have coded 30% of chance to unstuck, so I don't know what will be the result here, but let's try. As you can see here, my 3 bombs are back. I don't know if they are okay or not. I will release them one by one. I have to select to be ready. Release, release, release. Hang store. Yeah, one has been unstuck by the resetting of the SMS, and I have still 2 hang store remaining. I can try to flip again my SMS, so I will be back with 2 bombs on board, but this time I know they are stuck because you can try only once to unstuck them. So the only way now will be to jettison the rack. And now the rack is jettisoned and the bombs are gone.